What if $10 a day could turn you into a millionaire? Sounds impossible. But the math is real, and I'm about to show you exactly how. Most people never see this number because nobody teaches it. Not banks, not schools. Just simple math hiding in plain sight. Meet our guy. Regular income, regular bills, regular life. Nothing special. He's about to learn the one secret rich people actually use. Every day, $10 slips through his fingers. A coffee here, a snack there. He never even notices it disappearing. That's $50 a week. $200 a month. It feels small, tiny even. But tiny numbers can hide massive power. Now watch what happens if that same $10 goes somewhere else instead of vanishing into thin air. This is compound interest. The force Einstein reportedly called the eighth wonder of the world. Here's exactly how it works. First, you have your principal, the money you actually put in. Simple, straightforward, just your savings stacking up. Then, your money earns interest. A little extra, added on top. Free money, just for saving instead of spending. Here's the magic part. Next year, you earn interest on your interest too. Growth building on top of growth. Picture a snowball rolling downhill. It doesn't just grow, it grows faster the further it rolls. That's compounding. $10 a day equals $3,650 a year. Simple enough. Now let's add time and growth. At a 10% average return, year 1 barely moves. Just a small bump. Patience is about to get tested. Year 5, still modest. It's easy to give up here. Most people quit right before the real growth begins. Year 10, something shifts. The line starts bending upward. This is where compounding starts, pulling its own weight. This bend is called the hockey stick curve. Flat for years, then suddenly steep. Almost all the growth happens late. That's why starting early matters more than almost anything else. Time isn't just helpful, it's the main ingredient. Let's meet two friends. Same job, same salary, same $10 a day. Only one difference between them: when they started. Sarah starts investing at 25. Same $10 daily, same 10% return, same simple plan. She barely thinks about it. Mike waits. Life gets busy. He starts the exact same plan. 10 years later, at 35. Just 10 years apart. Same amount. Same strategy. Watch what that single gap does to their final numbers. By retirement, Sarah's line curves high above Mike's. Same daily amount, same years of contributing. Wildly different results. At 65, Sarah's account, over $1 million. Let that sink in. $10 a day, snowballed into millions. Mike's account, still strong, still impressive, but less than half of Sarah's total. 10 years cost him hundreds of thousands. He didn't invest less money overall. He just started later. Those missing 10 years can never be bought back. This is why financial advisors obsess over one word: time. Not income, not luck, just time in the market. Here's a shortcut called the Rule of 72. Divide 72 by your return rate, and you'll know how fast money doubles. At 10% growth, your money doubles roughly every 7.2 years. Watch it double, then double again. 1 coin becomes 2. 2 becomes 4. 4 becomes 8. This is exponential growth, hiding inside a simple habit. But here's the twist. It's not just about time. Amount matters too. Let's see what happens if we push harder. Double the daily amount to $20, and the final number doesn't just double, it multiplies even faster. More fuel on the same fire. The snowball rolls bigger, faster, and the final payoff grows dramatically larger. But compounding isn't invincible. Pull your money out early and you cut the snowball off mid-roll. Growth stops instantly. Every withdrawal doesn't just remove today's cash, it erases all the future growth that money would have earned. Fees are another silent killer. A 2% yearly fee sounds small, but over decades, it can eat away huge chunks of your future wealth. Watch the fee shark quietly nibble away at the pile year after year until a shocking amount has simply vanished. And here's the darkest twist. Compound interest also works against you. Credit card debt compounds too, just in reverse. The same snowball effect that builds wealth can just as easily build debt, growing bigger the longer it's ignored. Same force, same math, completely opposite direction. That's why debt left unpaid can spiral out of control so fast. So the real lesson isn't just save money, it's let compounding work for you, not against you. You don't need to be perfect. Miss a day, skip a week, the snowball just keeps rolling, slower but still growing. Consistency beats perfection every single time. Small, steady action always outperforms occasional bursts of motivation. It doesn't matter if you're starting at 20, 30, or 50. The best move is always to start now, today. Every day you wait is a day compounding doesn't get to work. The calendar doesn't care about excuses. So here's the full recipe. Small, consistent amount, decent return, and time. That combination is how ordinary people build real wealth. $10 a day, 40 years, 10% average return. Let's watch the final number appear. Together, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 500,000, and finally, $1,079,000 from $10 a day. That's the entire secret. Not a scheme, not luck, just math, patience, and time. The best day to start compounding was 10 years ago. The second best day is today, right now. So open the app, plant the seed, start the snowball rolling even if it feels small right now. Because small seeds, given enough time, grow into something you can retire on. That's the real magic trick. Small daily habit, decades of patience, one life-changing number waiting at the end for the people who actually start. If this opened your eyes, you know what $10 a day could become for you. The only question is, will you start? Hit follow for more money truths nobody teaches you. Your future self is already saying thank you.